ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ సోదర సోదరీమణులు అందరికీ నమస్కారం. On this historic occasion of Andhra Pradesh Formation Day, I deem it a privilege to convey my warm greetings to the people of Andhra Pradesh. On this occasion, I pay my homage with deep respect to the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to achieve a separate state for Andhra. The long-cherished demand for a separate state for Andhra became a reality with the supreme sacrifice made by Potti Sri Ramulu, a staunch follower of Mahatma Gandhi, who began his fast unto death on the 9th of October 1952 at Madras and attained martyrdom on 15th of December 1952. On 19th December 1952, the Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru announced in the Lok Sabha that the Andhra state would be formed with the 11 undisputed Telugu districts and the 3 taluk of a Bellary district. Subsequently, as per the recommendation of the first State Reorganization Commission, Andhra Pradesh became the first state to be formed on linguistic basis with the merger of 9 Telugu-speaking districts of erstwhile Hyderabad state into Andhra state and was named Andhra Pradesh, thus fulfilling the demand for a Vishalandhra, which was inaugurated on the 1st of November 1956 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and late Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy became the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who later rose to the position of President of India. The state of Andhra Pradesh is blessed with abundant natural resources, fertile land and river basins, water resources, extensive canal system and conducive agroclimatic conditions. The second longest coastal line in the country is also one of the largest producers of maritime products, and above all has human capital with huge potential, progressive attitude and very high level of entrepreneurship aptitude. With business-friendly policies and robust physical, social and industrial infrastructures, Andhra Pradesh is poised to become one of India's best states in the future. The development process of the state has witnessed implementation of several schemes, programs aimed at improving infrastructure right from Anganwadi center to higher education institutions, as well as primary health care centers to super specialty hospitals. The government is committed to provide assured water supply to all for domestic, irrigation and industrial use, and for supply of quality power to farmers. With the implementation of the village secretariat, ward secretariat system, which is first of its kind in the country, the administration has been taken to the doorstep of the people as the system enables convergence of government programs as well as speedy delivery of welfare benefits. The state government is implementing several inclusive and proper welfare measures, and I hope that the fruits of development reach every individual in the state. Navaratnalu, meaning 9 gems, an integrated welfare program consisting of 9 major welfare schemes aimed at inclusive development of all regions of the state in the sector for agriculture, health, education, housing, welfare and other needs a special mention. With the implementation of this flagship program, the state government intends to ensure that the benefit of welfare schemes reach all the needy and eligible people, and no eligible person is left uncovered. All of us in Andhra Pradesh have gone through the difficult situation posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. As with the people all over the world, the coronavirus pandemic made an active impact on the economic growth and development. It will take time, patience, and continuous perseverance towards the desired goals to fight the adverse situation created by this unprecedented calamity faced by the mankind. However, the zeal of the humanity to learn from adversities and reach new heights will guide us towards a bright future. Even though the situation is slowly improving, I appeal to all the people of the state to remain alert, not to lower their guard, and to strictly follow necessary guidelines till a viable vaccine is made available to all. I deeply appreciate the untiring efforts of the Andhra Pradesh government, frontline warriors, including doctors, health professionals, voluntary organizations such as Red Cross, police personnel, sanitation workers, etc., for the steps taken to prevent spread of the coronavirus and timely health care provided to COVID-19 patients. Andhra Pradesh has tremendous potential for growth and is marching in the right direction towards the path of progress and development. I pray Lord Jagannath and Lord Venkateswar to shower their choicest blessings on the people of Andhra Pradesh for a bright future. Jai Hind.